Blessed love. You don't know natural just represent for Richard Brown films. Yeah, we get it right. And we are tell you one of the best movie production right now, Western Jamaica. I'm not fucking the whole Jamaica. So when we represent, we represent for good production. And as we said before, we're Not Righteous, and it is spelled KNATCHRYCHUS. I am on all major platforms. But today, we just want to big up the big general we have produced, the good movie them. Only put time with the yard and watch them too, Yeah, and the message them nice and strong. So we want you to continue to support the channel. Continue to support Richard Brown film. Good movie. Can't miss out. Enough no one fi serious them when we stay down. So them put we thing back and keep it way down. But we understand fully. Stay no for them a bully. We used to them from we a go a playground. That's right, just that.
Good evening. First, I see you around, sir.
So you walk up on me, Safa?
No, I go, man. I see me and like you,
See me and like me?
Yeah.
So you don't know me?
No, sir. First, I see you.
I'm live around here so much years now. And I always see you right here, so with your friend, them a roll up a weed and a smoke. You don't work?
No, sir. Normal thing, nothing. I'm not working, I get lay off. So, you know where I go. But don't worry about me, man. You want to get to know. I can't even know you.
Well, me have to work, I work, I come from down and Mr. Chin. Turn up whole day, my foot them a hurt me.
So I can't be one for massage your foot up a yard there. Come on, nobody with it, man. You see how tired and I come in from work, I know you do well with a nice warm massage,
I try me like your beard, but I go give me number, Alright, get your phone, let me put your number in there. Call me.
Alright, I'll do that.
Randy, I want smell some smoke. You're smoking at me.
No, mommy. I'm not smoke, mommy.
Look here. How much time me fi tell you say nothing smoking at me yard?
Mommy, I wasn't smoking. I was just there, so I fire the light over there, so. And it blow come over here, mommy.
You know say you're liar?
Mommy, I don't tell you no lie.
Look here. Let me tell you something. Not tell me no lie. Because me see you with it sitting in your hand with me 2 years dash away. Listen what me I tell you say. Liar and thief work together, And me no born no liar, me no think so. And me no grow no thief. You see, you have your attitude, you not gonna work in my place. You have to go find place go.
So mommy can't be here, so I'm done tell you say I no smoke, me I smoke. They me there, so sit down and I watch the bird them a fly and then light fire over there, so.
Randy, you know say God give me 5 cents. And me use all of them. You might not use all of you, but you see me use all of me. You see smelling, me smell weed. And me no grow no liar. So my mother, you have your granny, used to tell me say liar and thief walk together. So you see if you start tell lie, me not go trust you, you eat thief.
Alright, mommy. Alright. me not gonna do it again. And me literally just did there so. Me not gonna do it. I mean, I no thief. Me not gonna thief neither. So nobody come have me as no thief. Me just did there so. I'm done and my friend them yard me did there and they was smoke and it smell up on my shot. And me not really take none, me just sit down there easy.
You know, say, me used to buy paint and drawing sitting gear. So you want a little artist. But now it seems like say you are an artist. You laugh. Don't laugh and not drop me a gear. Me say God give me 5 cents.
Mother.
And me see. And me smell. Me see and me smell. Me not trust you.
Mommy.
You see from a fatty there boy, me not trust you. And me a feel your mother. Tell me the truth always. But not tell me no lie. Hey, me know how to deal with the truth, you know. But you see when it come on to lie, me no know how to deal with it. And one question more ask you know, and maybe lead up in a 2 or 3. I saw you expect to slung in my place. Burn weed, eat for free, do everything for free here and I work.
But mommy, remember say me get lay off. Me can't do nothing. So me have to just there so until me can get another work. Me have send in some applications or some place. But I say you go, mommy.
Alright, since as a day so, I go on easy. You know Mr. Brown? Me I go check Mr. Brown. Because you sit down and you tell me say you are sending application. You see a journey of 1,000 miles begin with 1 step. So me a step good on Mr. Brown right now. Go ask him if he can hire you. Say, look for me. You see, Mr. Brown, he's a very good man, you know. A family friend, me know him long time. And me can't tell you say now, go tell me no. You see, if you get your work, you try good to go do the right thing, you know.
Mommy ever say me and son I do the wrong thing yet? Me not do wrong things, mommy. Might have enough girlfriend, yes, but you see me? Me not do the wrong things.
Me not trust you. Me, look here. You see me for your mother, don't trust you. Me I walk go down and Mr. Brown myself. Go ask him to hire you. Me I go down and Mr. Brown. Because me not trust you.
Alright, mommy. Take your time for now. Walk good, you see?
Samantha! Oi! What going, girl?
But then when I am boring, no. Sometimes I come check you.
You know Randy?
Yeah, girl.
Miss Gigi's son?
Yeah.
When I want to come from work and the boy tap me, you know?
That's it.
We then here we are talk and thing and him ask me for the number me give me. I like him face and him mustache, that's why I give me number.
That the boy, the girl, him no good girl. Everything good for us down bun with a daytime. Him dog. But yeah, I want big woman, so I'm not going to tell her for this.
We can't judge people, you know. He might stop work because of circumstances. But me only give me number still, so we'll see where I go from this and I like so we're serious.
Better, we will see. Anyways, I got the yard now.
Alright, no problem. Me are going to go all the rest to come. I stand up on my foot all day after me touching work. So later, girl. Alright.
Mr. Brown,
Hey, walk along.
you know, so I don't get office me there come.
Oh, you know, so I me lock up early this evening. Me just come home and say, boy, I just come sweep up my yard because the man then just cut it today.
You know, so I have one little problem, Mr. Brown. I don't know if you can help me out. I have one son in my yard, but then lay him off. And I want one little job for him. You know, can hire him, give him one little photographing work in your place and try to train him. Because he don't really know nothing about photographing, you know, sir. So I ask you, please, if you can help me out and hire him.
Well, you know what happen? I can't really take on nobody right at this moment, but by next month, I have 2 of my workers them where I migrate go foreign. So by that, he could come and start.
Around how much next month, sir?
Probably around the 5th of next month or so.
I beg you, please, don't forget me. You have to give me your telephone number. Because I just tired of boys sitting in my yard, so I don't know, Mr. Brown.
A long time I know you. I know say a good family you come from. So I know say your son must be a good boy. So once in a while troublemaker, I can take him on. Because my establishment not really accommodate people who give problem. You understand? So I don't know problem, man. Just send him by the 5th of next month. Tell him to just dress in one nice pants and one nice shirt and come.
He no give trouble, you know, sir. Not of that when I know of. You understand? But he just sit down in my yard and I can't bear to see him every day. Just sit down, so I don't know.
The 5th of next month. You just send him come, alright?
Alright, sir. Thanks.
Alright, no
the
problem.
The 5th of next month.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir.
Alright.
Thanks, dear, sir. Thank you very much. Oh, should me tell you, say, I seen for feed a lazy man, you find something to do.
Woman, make up your mind. What you want me to do? You want me not to do nothing? I want me to do something.
Look how long water cycle up on my place. And you never find time for shovel it, for lead it astray and let it go on. But since as me tell you, say, I seen for feed one lazy man. Me glad say I do it still a good thing, but me have better news than that for you, boy. Good news.
What news, mama?
I go check Mr. Brown. And he tell me, say, you have to just wait few more weeks. He said the 5th of next month, he can hire you.
Oh, that good, mommy, but I don't know nothing about taking picture and something.
Look here, you don't have to know a thing. I learn, you gotta learn. You not tell me nothing, you know. Because you go to university, you know. I mean, know for your head quick. So, if a man say at the 5th, he might hire you, prepare yourself. He say you must wear something nice come when you come. You understand? Yeah. So you see, Frank, yes, when you're done with this, even though next month, may I ask you to go and go look for your best suit.
Alright, mommy.
Your best suit.
Alright, mommy. May I go look for my best suit?
Your best suit.
I know I don't have much clothes in this, but may I go look for my best suit? Let me just finish. This. Say what I can run out.
Babe, this did nice, no, I'm not lie. I love nature and everything around us right now, but you know, so though, I feel like we go up on an official date because we want to go out with you and take some pictures and we eat some food and we enjoy ourselves, we dance.
Well, that would be nice still, but I don't close for that, you know, so that have to wait till next time while with me because then again, I don't work, so I can't buy no clothes and I mean, I don't have no time for that, you know.
Because you know, say me got you, right? So anything you want, I'll pay the expenses. Because I know that if you had it, you'd buy it for me too when I don't have it. So don't worry about it.
Well, but I appreciate that still, but then again, I'm an independent man. I'm not really take things from man like that. So, you don't have to go too much out of your way.
Well, you're not taking things from me. I'm giving it to you. You are my man. I'm supposed to take care of you.
You know what? That's why I love you, sir. Straight to God, that's why I love you, sir, you know.
Hi, babe.
Yeah, go on then.
I got a surprise for you.
A surprise? What kind of surprise?
Remember that you told me you don't have anything to wear? Guess what? I got you something. Look!
Nice.
Try it on, let me see if it can fit you.
No, man, I'm sweaty right now. I can't put on. But me and you alone now. Me and you go wear this, man. Worry yourself.
So, is you really like it?
Good. But you never know, say I have style, car. If you have a pink hair, then I'm still Bex both you know. You see me? I don't know, say I have my style. I like it. So, which part we are going on date?
We might just go somewhere on the beach and chill out and have fun, and then we can come back here. And we might come back here.
Morning, sir. You know, say, I'm a mother Gigi said me come here to go talk to Mr. Brown. Okay, yeah man, I'm Mr. Brown. Alright, so you're Gigi's son, just come right around, man. Come right around. Alright. So your name is again? They call me Randy. Okay, Randy, okay. You know anything about photography? No, sir, I never do photography before. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. You're here to learn, alright? Yeah, man. So come this way. Alright, so this is the camera that we use in studio. The one that we use outdoor is a little bit different, but this is one that we use in studio, alright? Yeah, man. So this is how it works. Okay. Alright, so when we're shooting, we normally put the camera on M. That is for manual, alright? Samantha! Come here, girl. My girl, you look so nice place.
Oh, me look at you, Mina.
Like you're ready for me.
So come now. Go on, babes.
There, on the one.
So how you look so?
You know, say, my mother line up a little work down at Mr. Brown. I'm going down there today, but work hard, man. Never know yourself. So then what they did hard. So all day I'm down there, stressed out. I want to burn all that spliff and can't burn that spliff because they not allowed, they ain't sitting there down there.
So I saw you go work, you could have pressed out the shirt.
You know, say,
I look on your pants, look on your hair, how you look so, and the work you say I come from.
Actually, I ain't down yard to stop work, man.
But you know, so you could have come and say, babes, come iron this for me, because I'm not going to say no.
Jano, I'm not even think about that. But I can go down yard so go all that fresh and then go and circle a little more, you know, more so I relieve my stress, you know.
You didn't know
Stress
something there for you already.
Alright, so today we have a photo shoot for you. Alright, so you have a head go Roan River. There's a lady named Miss Atia up there. She'll wait for you, alright?
Yeah, man.
Cool, yeah, man. So, do your thing.
Good evening.
Hi.
You're the lady for the photo shoot?
Oh yeah, from Richard studio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good
Hi.
morning, pretty girl.
Hello.
Alright, so we're supposed to have a 15-minute session with you. So I'll just take some pictures around this place here, get some with her, get some by yourself, and then that's it.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah, man, ready, man.
Okay.
Ready. Sorry to be late, alright?
That's fine.
What is your name, pretty girl?
Say Princess Jana.
Hi, Princess Jaina. Alright, come on, let's go. Okay, you look this way. Hi, princess. You're right. Yeah, one more. Ready? Right. Good. Yeah, good girl. Look at me. Yeah.
Give me a hand.
Ready? Yeah. All right. Don't move. Just look over yourself. Right. Jada, look here, sir. So, you know, so me think I did like a yarn him father come.
Her father, you know, he's one of those big drug dealers who really got caught up in the system. Yeah, he was taken out.
Too bad the daddy have to go in a jail. Eh?
He's not in jail.
Oh, you're not in a jail?
He's dead.
Oh, my condolences.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be here for a few more weeks. I'm gonna need some more pictures and stuff, and really needs to do a photo shoot in her Jamaican outfit and some other Jamaican cultural outfits.
Well, no
I'm
problem.
I'll call Richard though and to let him know as to the dates in which I'm going to actually need him to take the pictures.
No, listen. You know, say by rights, I'm me are the man. And me are the man will actually do everything. That the man don't do nothing. And me show him everything, ropes, everything. Me show him about the computer, everything. So
What do you mean?
me
'Cause
are
I
the
know-
main person, just film company, but me are the man where are the behind everything. You don't have to call him on the man. You don't have to call him and tell him nothing. Just call me personally. Anytime, anything at all, anytime you want.
Oh, this is your card?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, yeah. And me and photographer, CEO. Me are the man.
Okay.
So like and me in charge of everything. So see all the money them and them sitting there. And me really. Him a just, you see me?
I mean, he's got some really good pictures. I just thought
All
that
I
you were
picture
actually...
them. No, all of them picture them, I me take them. And me take them for true. Nobody making you fool. And me take them. True.
It's not a matter of being fooled, but I know he takes real good pictures.
No, but that
I've
me try to
worked
tell you,
with
say,
him.
me are the man who take them picture there on the side. The side where you see up there. I know him take them and me.
I have your card. I'll be calling you.
No worry yourself, man. Anything at all, anytime of night you want to call me, because me know nobody has sleep with you. No, but come on.
Hey, mommy.
You're a very beautiful woman, you know.
Thank you.
You're a very beautiful woman.
I know, thank you.
I love when you thick like this. I love when you just, is it me?
I'll call you to take her pictures. It's just that I have a few
Me no just
photo
want to take
shoot
a
that
beauty
I
picture.
really want to do with her. So I'll call you for you to go ahead and take the pictures. And
Yeah,
but
me no
I have
just-
your card. I'll call you for you to let me know what's up. So
Yeah, but me no just want to take for your picture. I want to take for your picture too.
yeah, we're gonna be doing. Hey, what's up with you? You wanted to get something?
I would love to.
All right. So
I would love to just spend the day as a family together. Like, you know, me I move too fast still, but actually I look
I'm
good.
just gonna
Actually, I
go
look
grab
good.
something for her to eat.
Actually I look good, man. food nice though, Miss Atia.
You can say it here. The food it's really delicious. I really like the spice that they use to make the chicken. It's good. It's really good. What's the name of the place? It's what? Indian Jerk and Curry Lounge? Restaurant Lounge or something? What's the name of that?
Indian Jerk and Curry Restaurant.
And Lounge, yeah. Yeah, I gotta tell my friends about it. It's really good.
Only thing that makes it good right now is you. For the years to the side of me.
Really? I don't know what you say about that, but tell me some more about yourself. How long you been doing photography and
Well, I'm a well experienced man, you know. You see me? I do this for about 15 years. I do this for 15 years since me officially I do it professionally, you see me?
okay. You know, like that's really good to hear. Like I think you should maybe come to the United States. You'll do good. You'll make a lot of money. Yeah.
Me not no visa for go foreign and then something. Plus
Oh wow.
I live with my mother. And mother want one house to rent to me so I can actually feel like a man, you know?
Okay. Well,
You know me I talk about.
yeah, I feel you. Alright, so with you not having a visa where you're actually able to travel, you know, that's something that can actually be arranged. So we're probably gonna have to work on that part.
Miss Atia.
You don't have to say miss.
No, but
Okay,
listen
say Tia. Like,
Tia. I'm grateful because nobody never actually offer to be so good to me yet. You see me? Nobody never do nothing for me like that or nothing at all. From a little bit of me I struggle off of my own. You see
Okay.
me? Everything me try
Understand.
to achieve it off of my own. Even the camera. Am I camera?
okay.
You know how hard it is me work for buy that camera?
Okay.
Me suffer. Me been a suffer long time. And it come like say a God send you come because me want one real woman in my life for actually for motivate me and guide me. You see me? And support
Okay.
me. I'm grateful.
No need to worry. I got you. I know how things can be. I'm here for you. No worries.
Miss Etty, I'm really grateful. I'm not telling
You be
you.
sweating right now.
Because it make me nervous.
You're funny. Like, yeah.
Yeah, the young man but gonna live here. Him supposed to soon come, so I can call Miss Atia now and let her know. Hello, good evening, Miss Atia. Yes, I'm at the apartment now and I'm waiting for the young man. So you can tell him that I am here. Me and my Sunday here waiting on him. Yeah, man, everything is okay. And thank you again, okay? Alright. Yeah, alright.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Randy. How are you?
I'm good.
Evening. Okay, so this is the key for the apartment. You did look in a room already. You love it off though. If you have smoke, you do it outside. I don't want to pick me and mark up my wall. I don't want a dog come run by the place or do up the place. I don't know if you have no cat either. I just say, you must can work with that because that's not a lot of rules. Drinking and smoking, I don't want to party in my house. Go to the door, go smoke and party.
I don't smoke, you know, and I don't drink. I'm a big respectable man. I don't do any other stuff.
Alright then, no problem. Well said. I'll be coming here from time to time to check on the place and see what's going on. So I'll be around. It was nice meeting you again, Mr. Randy.
Alright.
Alright. Come here, my baby. I'm almost hungry and all that.
Hey baby.
Oh, go on.
There man, away there.
You're not tired, you know?
You can't come link me down a Jason mother yard.
I wish for that day again.
Round the road man.
Alright, may I walk come meet me.
No, me just forward no man, me there right just.
Alright, may I walk until I see you then.
Alright, I'm up on the road.
Alright.
So babes, I want
Slow down my girl. You know what I say? Rent one of the room them from Jason mother.
So why you go rent house right now and you just start work? You shan't stay at your mother and go and save some money.
When me have a mother here, they know say me not no privacy. And you know that too. You know say you can't just come in there, we can't be free, me can't even walk around in a place as me feel like. You see me? So me not depend on that. But here so now you have a privilege we can come when you feel like anytime you want. You see me? Me am my own big man now, me am my own privacy.
Well, me not feel so you shouldn't rent nowhere yet, but since I do it already, I support you and I stand by you 100%.
So come go show you in the house and christen it. You know where you go. Atia?
Yes, baby?
Oh, I thought I lost you there. As I was saying, I really miss you, you know. I really miss those juicy lips of yours.
Oh my god, baby, I miss you so much too.
Oh my god, I just wish you was...
You know, I was actually thinking the other day that I really enjoyed every moment that we spent together, and I think we should get married. What do you think?
Are you really doing this to me now, babe? Or
I love you.
Is it that what I'm thinking that you're saying that I'm thinking?
Definitely, baby.
Oh my,
I really love you, and I would really like to get married to you.
Babes, I truly even know how you make me feel right now with you saying this to me, because all this time me there at Jamaica, no woman never actually seems like them serious.
Babes!
Hold on, babes, hold on.
Babes, oh god.
Hold on. What you come deals me about?
So me in a day, we're not in a relationship.
Me in a day again, first thing, then again, me and even up on the same level. So get that in your head. Now that me a work, you know, me know you feel like me up on the same level, you know. Because if all me want all a camera, you can't buy me a camera. You see me? Sufferation days and them sitting with you over. Them they sitting there over, me not depend that again.
So wait, what you try to tell me say? The one little work you get make you go on so? I thought about me and you not on the same level. You forgot to say I found one underpants days where I come from. Remember say me love you, you know?
Love, what you talk more? Love can't put money in a pocket. Now when I come here so with no love. Them the days are over. That me I tell as a matter of fact. Now that me rent this a place and me know when you come here. So like say you feel like say you can just come in so. Next thing you're gonna come here and a girl that you feel like say, want to your man? Know yourself.
Alright, you is a wicked dirty boy. My friend did want me about you, you know. But to me I say yes, me love the boy, him not have it yet. And we are gonna make it in a life. Me dead with you same way. You say you treat me. You see how you treat me. You are gonna fall for you so that anytime you fall.
Come on,
Say really you push me out here really fall. Me not umbrella. You can't let me out. Come to me.
What a girl!
Randy, please.
Randy what?
Please.
Go on where you
love
go.
you. Love you. Don't do it, please.
Love what? No, move fast, man. I'm here, girl. Move fast. What?
Brittany, how are you there? Me the out of your gate. Come out there now. Just come no man. Girl, come. Sure. Come in.
I want to make a sound up on the phone. What happened to you?
You know, say I did right, though.
Right, Bowa.
The boy Randy, I go down and also call, so me I surprise him. Because a long time me not see him, you know, so we in a relationship. And the boy run me out of the house and I talk about how me not in a film league. From him start working, start move strange. I say me and him not in a same league. And push me out, rain a fall. Me I go down and me knee, beg the boy take up something to lick me. I run me have to run off, you know.
But I tell you, I want you boy look dirty boy, but I never want to listen to me, they warn you. But then again, who can hear must feel?
Yes, you're right, cause me feel it. Me feel it, you know. Cause the amount of thing me do for Randy. And Randy really pushed me out of the house. Remember when me and Randy just start talk, I went suit of clothes he have. And me buy him clothes, me carry him on date, cause me I say yes. And me I want to work. And when him start work, him will start do the same thing for me. Girl, right now, me just mad, cause me can't believe that Randy really do this to me.
I never know say I'm my Randy. But I'm not throw it in your face. You deserve better.
Finally, go up on me head, cause right now, I don't feel like I want to by myself. I just want to chill and drink some and get that dirty boy there off of my mind, you know. Come in, come in.
Hi, Miss Atia, how you doing?
Hi, Richard. How are you?
I'm not too bad now. Let me come out and talk to you.
That's fine. I was actually going down the road to get my daughter because I think it's time for her to get something to eat. But what's up?
Okay. I was just passing by and I saw you, and I remember that you had some photo shoot dates with me, and I haven't seen you since. I was wondering if you found a new photographer.
Hold on, because the other day I really took the pictures, but I thought Randy was working for you because he's the one who actually took the pictures. So don't know, you haven't seen them?
Hold on. I don't know nothing about them or something. Yeah. Randy is a regular worker for me, you know. Even the camera where I have to take picture of my camera, you know. So I don't understand where Randy I tell you say.
Really? This is new to me because he took the pictures, and even the pictures that you do have on your website, he's been telling me that he's the one who actually took those pictures. And I don't want to lie, but I think he told me that he's actually the CEO. And like, I was kind of puzzled, but I was like, okay, let me just listen to what he's saying. But I mean, like, I don't know what is really going on. And you know what? I think I really need to call him.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Me go talk to him because I want to get the full understanding of what Randy up to, you know, because Randy not supposed to do my thing behind my back, you know. But don't worry yourself. Me go talk to him.
Well, even though you said not to call him, but I'm gonna call him because this is sounding too crazy.
Me no know this sound kind of personal with Randy, so me no really want to get in that little something there, but me go sort you out because Randy work for me and me not gonna have the thing in my business. But don't worry yourself. It was nice seeing you again, and I hope everything alright. Alright? Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's not about being personal, but okay. Hello?
Yeah, are you me?
Yeah, Randy? Where are you?
I'm home.
Can you come by the house, please? I need to see you right now.
What, you missed me already?
Can you just come by the house, please?
I miss you too. But no, they don't love me, you know. Tell us from the first time I get here, they don't love me. But I still come, baby. I still come.
Please. Thank you.
Alright, darling.
Cookie Bell. Hi, darling. You ready for me, girl? Huh?
You know what? Stay there. Don't even open your mouth.
Come on.
Don't even open your mouth. And I'm serious right now. Look at my face.
I'm ready for you, baby. Woo. Ready? Ready, baby.
Ready.
You know what? Don't move. Stay there.
Okay, baby, I'm closing my eyes. Ooh. Ooh. I close my eyes, baby.
Guess
I
what?
close my eyes.
You're
What is it,
nothing-
baby?
You are nothing but one lousy, lying bastard. I despise you. I really don't like you. I want you to take your stuff, leave my house.
Atia, what is what? What me do?
Just take your stuff and leave my house.
Atia,
take
seriously,
your stuff.
what is what Atia?
Take your stuff. Don't let me call the guards. Take your stuff and leave my house. You're a lying bastard. I don't need you. You're such a liar. I can't believe you've been telling me all these things, and I'm such a fool to be believing you. You've been deceiving Miss around for so long. Like, why would you do such a thing? You're nothing but a backstabbing heifer.
Some woman who tell them I said, yeah. Eh?
No worries.
Anybody tell
Guess
them I
what?
said,
Hey, shut up. No worries. Shut up. And guess what? The house I rented for you, I'm gonna take my name off that lease. Get out.
alright. You know, have to say it twice. Can't keep it.
Yeah, Randy. Yeah, man, come by the studio. Alright, no problem.
Yes, bossy.
You know, I am very disappointed, you know. Yeah, man, I'm disappointed now, you, man, because guess what? I can't believe me take you, train you, and pay you for learn. And I thanks for you give me by going out and spread fake news about me. Say you run the company.
Bossy, you get all of them information.
Hold on. Yo. Yeah, I call you back in 5 minutes. Me there in a vault, me there over photo studio. As I was saying,
Is it me?
Miss Atia tell me everything. I mean, no, she not analyze. She tell.
You can't make me left her, so that me I tell you. And if me left her, so a straight labor board me I go. Straight labor board, you better pay me up too. And me have to come back.
Wow. Good evening.
Good evening.
You know I'm come about.
But you don't normally come to me. Why you can't come to me? Mama have everything under control.
Mama have everything under control. You mean Miss Atia, that lady? She called me and she let me know that she's no longer responsible for you and your rent business.
Me not understand what you talk about. Is she book the rent the place? Is she deal with every money transaction and you never get? So me not understand how you come
She
to me.
deal with every money transaction. It's 3 months now you owe. 3 months rent. That is $105,000.
Where me I get $105,000 from? And I don't mean you know how you go say a mama of mine me a foreign.
Mama said she's not responsible for you no more, you know. So you need to find my money or come up out of my place. I'm not gonna rent board and none of them place the for you. You make me all come out of my character, you know, because you think say some joking thing and you're hey, where I get money from? Find my money, give me or come out of my place. I'm dead serious.
Miss Mermaid, miss, listen to me, please, me I beg you. Let me just call her and see why problem and see if me can work this out, but me I tell her, just beg a little more time, please. Me I beg a little bit more time.
I'm not give you no more time. Time now work with me. Time is money.
Just beg a little bit more time.
Take up your things them and leave my place, please and thanks.
what problem make one boss one truck?
All smoking and all type of things are going in my house.
What problem make one truck come to something there? But you see people like you, people like you make your world good.
Truck come for with some of them. My things and where you rent my place with, remember furnish house you rent.
This house that even good. This house that even good. I'm sorry for you make you even get yourself for chop a piece of food.
You never know, say it never good when you come here and rent it. Come out of my place and go on where you go, old vagabond.
Everything good, man. You know you're not looking at me right now.
I'm looking at the mirror every day and I want to say people like Uno, I rent people place and can't pay on the rent. You know say a woman a fair mind you. Go and sort out your life, young man.
Everything good, man. I hear
Yes,
people like Uno make the place safe. That me I tell you. When last you looking at the mirror, you come call me vagabond. When last you looking at the mirror?
Hi guys, so this is Lexi aka Zena Gray from Richard Brown Films. I just want you guys to head over to my Instagram page, which is Grayquella, that is GRHYQUELLA, for flat female working shoes. Yes, I said working shoes and only for female. So head over to Grayquella, GRHYQUELLA, and the number to call is 488-5704. 488-5704. Please, only serious inquiries, okay? Once more, only serious inquiries. Just message me for the shoes only, nothing else but that. Please and thank you.
Alright, blessed. It simply means if you're watching me right now, you have watched the entirety of the video. So thank you very much for watching. And as always, remember to share the video up on your Facebook page, please, because that will help to get more views. Share them up on your Facebook page. Tell a friend about the channel. Do all of the right things that will help the channel to grow. We are at 135,000 subscribers, and we love all the subscribers them that we get so far, but we want to see if we can reach the 150 before the year end. So you don't know, say 5 more pound that I will take it to the 140, and then 10 more I will take it to 150. So I want to do the right thing, man, make people know about the channel. And thank you to everybody that has lend some form of contribution to what we've been doing, because even though we might not get contribution as often as we hope we would have gotten it, because we have so much overhead costs, sometimes we have so much things that we need to take care of, but you know, we appreciate the 1 and 2 people who reach out and send a little thing now and then. We appreciate it. We thank you guys very much. And to the ones where I make some great contribution, because you don't know, say the laptop I use was donated, and we appreciate that. One of the camera, the drone, was all donated, and we appreciate those things. But in order for we grow and reach to the highest potential, there are things that we still need. We need proper lighting. We need proper sound equipment, because you see this is the microphone I use right now, so we still need proper microphone, because I got one around 2 months ago, I think, in a Reggae Sunfest time, but me don't know, they just stop work all of a sudden. So things like those, me have to think about replacing them. So if persons out there see what we are doing, like what we are doing, and want to see the thing grow, please reach out to me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. Or if you don't use Instagram, I use regular messaging pan email me, man, richardbrownfilms@gmail.com, and let me know, say, yo, you want to contribute to what we are doing, whether it be cash, whether it be kind, whether it be equipment. We appreciate them. So big up on yourself, continue to show all the support. Thank you to all of the persons them who play a part in helping the channel grow, especially the persons them who acting at the movie them. We appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And just continue to support as we continue to do what we are doing. Big up on yourself, alright?
Blessed love. My name is Nicoy Cunningham, aka Not Righteous. I was born in a small district by the name of Raymond's in Clarendon, Jamaica. I'm an upcoming reggae artist. I really love my roots. I really love my culture. I believe in positivity. I believe in upliftment. I believe in educating the youth them. Hence my music stand for that. I started doing music professionally about 2008, where I started recording with a brother by the name of Paul Francis. Now we call him Sly down here in Westmoreland. By voicing for Sly, the message started to get out and we started working with other producers. I have worked with producers by the name of Kirk Bennett from Kirkle Dove Records, former Berrysaman drummer, and the dub plate rhythm, which consists of Mr. Vegas, Assassin, Anthony B, and a whole host of other artists. From there we move on and work with other producers such as Tim Dub from Canada, and that project also consists of big names such as Jamaican, Luton Fire, amongst other artists. Now we are at 24/7 music production. I'm there with my brothers, Imar Shepherd, Ayasight. It's a nice team. Can boost to 7 figures as well because it's 2 persons come together as a production team. It can boost to 7 figures, 24/7 music production. Hence you have the whole crisis. To date, I have put out music with Anthony B, mainly by myself though. There's a lot of Not Righteous out there on all major platforms. You can go out and find my stuff on all major platforms. We've done many community shows. So we are used to shows, and I must tell you, I love to write, I love to perform. And I was lucky enough on my journey to get the proper advice and proper influence to do reggae music. And from there, reggae music took me on a journey. And the journey was to find myself, and I found Rastafari. And from then, I am now a staunch believer in Rastafari. I believe in truth, I believe in right, I believe in upliftment, I believe in justice, and the list goes on and on. Once it's righteousness, then Not Righteous stand for that. And my music will tell you also, because my music depict righteousness, depict upliftment and betterment of oneself. I'm on all major platforms. The Not Righteous is spelled KNATCHRYCHUS. You can find me on IG, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter. On YouTube, it's Not Righteous Vivo. And as I mentioned show earlier on, we have under our belt 24/7 music production, Christmas concert, 2 years in a row. And that will be inserted so you can see the type of performances and the energy we emit while we're on stage. But all I can say is I love music, and I would love to come and perform all over the world for my people. I want my fans to remember me in the way I normally carry myself, I normally portray myself, and that's upstanding, and that's being a good citizen overall. I love people, I'm a fun person, and as I said, I love to write, I love to create music, I love to perform music. So it doesn't matter where, and if it's even one person, I'm still going to give it my best, because music is my joy, it's a part of me. So check me out. All the links will be added, and you'll see. You can make the necessary, what do you call it now, end result or hypothesis. You know what I mean? But give thanks, and as I said, righteousness, that exalt the nation. I exalt to come to exalt the nation. Manners and respect.
Alright, so we are Roan River and we just finished film. We like the location and we like to film at Roan River. So now and then when we can afford to, we travel all the way to Roan River and we come film because it's very picturesque, plus it's not just picturesque, but it's also have some form of energy. So I like to come film up here. So now and then you might see we come there and we do piece of the movie up here. So we are head to where some bag of music at play. So we know it's the copyright thing there, so we can't go get the sound. So big up on yourself and continue to watch, support and do the right thing, cause you don't know Richard Brown Films, and I see we can document some of what we do. So I'm gonna go and watch. See?